Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. We continue for page 47 to answer exercise 1, 6.7, the present continuous. Okay, we have learned this grammar section in your textbooks previously. Ini dah belajar pun sebelum ni. Okay, we just make a revision for the present continuous. So let's look. A. When do we use present continuous verbs? Talking about an activity now. Benda yang sedang berlaku sekarang. Okay, right now, I am teaching you an English subject, for example. Look, the train is coming. Okay, kereta api sedang datang. Okay, I'm sorry, you can't speak to Raju because he is sleeping. Okay, so itulah yang aktiviti yang sedang berlaku sekarang. Okay, yang sedang berlaku sekarang. Okay, number 2, talking about plans for the future. The Prime Minister is visiting Japan next year. Okay, bercerita tentang sesuatu yang akan berlaku pada masa hadapan. Okay, we can use present continuous. Okay, so B. Okay, now we go to the note B there. The present continuous and the simple present. So, Salma is driving a yellow sport car. Means now at this moment she is in her car now. Okay, the simple and the simple present. Salma is driving a yellow sports car. Okay, Salma drive a yellow sport car. Okay, means in general, usually, perhaps she is in her car now, perhaps she isn't. Okay, mungkin dia berada dalam kereta atau mungkin tidak. Okay, so ayat yang kedua ini dia menerangkan tentang sama ada Salmah ini memang suka ataupun biasa naik kereta sport berwarna kuning. Tetapi yang ni, ayat ini menunjukkan bahawa Salmah sedang memandu kereta sport yang berwarna kuning. Okay, now we go to the exercise 1. Okay, agak mudah ini ya. Choose the correct form. Remember, are we talking about an action now, or a plan for the future, or something generally true? If something generally true, fakta, kita menggunakan simple present tense. Tetapi jika kita bercakap tentang aksi sekarang, action now, ataupun yang akan future plan kita, maka kita menggunakan present continuous. Okay, number 1. Look, those men trying to rob the bank. Look, lihat, those men are trying. Okay, are trying to what you call that, to rob the bank. Maksudnya dia sedang berlaku sekarang. So exercise 1. Okay, question 1, are trying. Okay, number 2. Next year, tahun depan. Okay, we are introducing several new products. Kami akan memperkenalkan. So we are introducing, maksudnya future plans. We are introducing. Okay, number 3. Usually Steven is working in Ipoh. Okay, but this week he is working at our head office in KL. So usually Steven work, biasanya. Okay, fakta, generally true. So usually Steven works. The answer is works. Okay, comma, but now, but today, but this week, he is working. Okay, dia sedang bekerja. So, is working. Okay, is working. Okay, now I leave for you to answer question 5, 4 until 6 by your own. Okay, note for C. Sometimes we cannot use the present continuous. Okay, ada masa kita tidak boleh menggunakan present continuous. Bila? Okay, the first one, verbs about thinking. Agree, believe, know, understand, forget, remember. When it means have an opinion. Okay, tak boleh guna ya. Verbs about thinking tak boleh guna. Verbs about feeling, want. Orang tak sebut, biasa kita tak sebut wanting. I'm wishing. Okay. Verbs about owning, kepunyaan, belonging, owning, posing, have, when it means possess. A few other verbs, cause, sin, need. Okay, common mistake in using the present continuous. Where do you go now? Where do you go now? Okay, bila ada perkataan now dekat sini, perlu ada present continuous. Okay, where are you going now? These books are belonging to the library. Okay, tadi belong tadi tak boleh guna ing ya. Jadi, these books are belong to the library. Takkan semua nak letakkan ing. Ada beberapa perkataan yang tidak sesuai letakkan ing seperti yang ada dalam nota itu. Okay, agree, believe, know, understand, forget, remember. Tetapi boleh letak ing tapi membawa maksud yang lain lah. Understanding, okay, remembering, thinking. Okay, we go to the page 48. Okay, we go to the page 48. Answer exercise 2, 3 and 4. For exercise 2, follow the rules in B and C to choose the correct tense. Number 1, Lo Ping doesn't like or isn't liking fast food. Okay, like. Okay, we use without ing. So, Lo Ping doesn't like. So, number 1 is doesn't like. Exercise 2. Okay, number 1 is doesn't like. Okay, number 2. I think or I am thinking Rafidah takes or is taking her son to Paris next month. Okay, think. Okay, think tak sesuai letak ing. Tadi lah kita sebutkan dalam muka surat sebelum ini. So, I think Rafidah is taking her son to Paris next month. Okay, future plans. So, is taking. So, number 2, the first answer is think, and the second answer is taking. Okay. Okay, number 3. Please tell me where, go or are going. I don't understand atau I am not understanding this map. Okay. Please tell me where we are going. Maksudnya ke mana kita sedang pergi sekarang ni. So, where we are going. Okay, present continuous. I am not understanding or I don't understand. Understand tak sesuai menggunakan ing. Jadi, I don't understand. Okay, this map. So, number 3, where we are going for the first answer. And then, comma, the second answer is I don't understand. Okay, and then please complete number 4 and number 4 until 6. Okay, now we go to the exercise 3. Before that, we go to the note there, note D. Forming the present continuous. Remember, the present continuous verbs have 2 words. Am, is or are, okay, plus ing. Be careful in the spelling, the ing part. Okay, spelling rules. Ing pun ada spelling dia. Sama macam ed dan s tadi. Es. Sometimes you need a double letter, like when you add ed. Okay, if the verbs end in e, drop the e. For example, hope become hoping. Buang huruf e tu dan tambahkan ing. If the verb ends in y, don't change it to y, to I. Keep the y and add ing. Okay, for examples, replying, reply, 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 menjawab, tambah ing di belakangnya, ing. Jangan buang huruf y nya. So, negative and questions. Look at the examples in exercise 1 and 2. See also unit 6.13. Don't mix up this tense with the simple present tense. Many people make the mistake of using mix up half and half verb. Okay, common mistakes in forming the present continuous. Sweeping, working in the kitchen just now. Just now. Okay, so is working. Dia terlupa perkataan is tadi. That man is ride his bicycle very badly. That man, okay, is riding. Sedang menunggang his bicycle very badly. Tertinggal is lah dan tinggal ing. Bila ada is atau was atau are ataupun were, di belakang ni mesti ada ing. Biasanya mesti ada ing. Okay, exercise 3, write the correct present continuous form of the verbs in bracket. Number 1, Salihuddin go to Labuan next month. So, Salihuddin is going. Okay, is going. Exercise 2, number 1, is going. Okay, number 2. Right now, sekarang ini, we are trying to phone Maznah. Okay, so the answer is are trying. Okay, number 3. I expect a letter from Hafaz. Okay, ini sedang kita apa dalam bahasa Melayu dia? Menjangkakan. Okay, menjangkakan akan dapat surat daripada Hafaz in the future lah. Mungkin hari ni, mungkin esok. So, I am expecting. Okay, I am expecting my son coming back from KL today. Saya menjangkakan dia akan balik hari ini. So, I am expecting sesuatu yang akan berlaku pada masa hadapan. And then number 4. It's okay, my boss pay for this meal. It's okay, my boss will pay for this meal. Itu kalau nak guna in the future tak sesuai lah. Is paying. Okay, is paying. Sebab dia nak bayar dalam jangka masa terdekat. Is paying. Okay. Boleh tak guna will pay? Boleh jika dia nak bayar tu mungkin minggu depan, esok ke sebagainya. Jika dia nak bayar sebentar lagi, elok menggunakan present continuous, is paying. Hurry up. Number 5, hurry up. Your friends is waiting for you. Sedang menunggu anda. So, is waiting. Is waiting or are waiting? Friends, ramai ya. Are waiting for you. Okay. So, complete question 6 until 10 by your own. Okay, exercise 4. Write the correct simple or continuous present tense verb. Okay, it's a conversation, perbualan between Anwar and Sivam. Anwar, what those workmen do? Okay, maksudnya dia sedang bertanya kepada pekerja yang sedang bekerja. So, we use the present continuous. Okay, what are those workmen doing? Okay, sedang buat. What are they doing? So, the answer is, what are the workmen, those workmen doing? Okay. Sivam answer it. They dig a hole. So, they sedang menggali lubang, jadi sebuah lubang So they are digging. So they are digging a hole. Okay, number 3. I think. Kita dah belajar sebelum ni, think tak sesuai guna ing, takkan sebut I am thinking. I think they want to lay a drain across the road. They want. Want pun tak sesuai guna ing, jadi I think they want. Think and want. So number 3 is think and number 4 is want. So I will leave for you to answer question 5 until 10 by your own. Okay, that's question for page 48. Okay, 48. So let's look to the page 49. You just have to answer exercise 1. It's about the past continuous. Tadi present continuous, past continuous. So what is the past continuous? This tense is like the present continuous, except that it talks about the past yang berlaku pada masa yang lepas. So it used past form was and were instead of am, is or are. I was playing with the cat when he called. Okay. He was angry because the girls were not looking at him. Okay. So continuous is a good name for this tense because we use it to focus on the middle of the continuing of the action. The simple past on the other hand describe whole completed action. Apa maksud ini? Okay. Bila kita menggunakan past continuous ini, kita menceritakan sesuatu yang sedang berlaku pada masa yang lepas. Contohnya, saya memanggil kawan saya. Okay. Minggu lepas, yesterday I call my friends. At that time, pada ketika itu, dia sedang menonton television. Okay. At that time, he was watching television. Okay. Maksudnya kejadian berlaku semalam. Ketika saya memanggilnya, dia sedang menonton television. So, sedang menonton tu menggunakan was watching. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu tu lah. Nak bagi kamu faham. Okay, exercise 1. Forming the past continuous. Okay, write the correct past continuous form of the verbs in bracket. This time, last week. Masa ini, tetapi pada minggu yang lepas, I was relaxing in the Cameron Highlands. Saya sedang berehat-rehat di Cameron Highlands. So, number 1, exercise 1. Okay, was relaxing. Okay, number 2. When we call at Mr. Kwok's house, ketika kami sedang memanggil di rumah Mr. Kwok, the children ni ramai ke seorang? Okay, ramai. So, the children were playing outside. Sedang bermain. So, were playing outside. Okay, number 3. Asmah do the cooking when the phone rang. When the phone rang. Rang ni maksudnya past tense untuk ring. Okay, dah berlaku. Jadi, Asmah was the cooking. Okay. Asmah is doing the cooking. Was doing the cooking. Okay, Asmah was doing the cooking. Sedang melakukan kerja-kerja memasak. Okay, ketika telefon berbunyi. Okay, number 4. I couldn't go into the club because I couldn't go. Maksudnya, saya tidak boleh masuk ke dalam club ni. Ini dah lepas ni. Because pada ketika itu, I was not wearing. Okay, I was not wearing or I wasn't wearing. I wasn't wearing a necktie. Okay, macam biasalah. Number 5 until 8 will be done by you. Okay, we go to the note B there. When do we use past continuous verb? When we want to focus on the middle of a past action. Okay, when we want to stress that the action was not short or sudden. Satu yang berlaku pada masa lepas, sedang berlaku pada masa lepas, ataupun kita nak tegaskan bahawa that action was not short or sudden. Tidak, action itu adalah sesuatu yang tidak yang bukannya ringkas ataupun berlaku secara mengejut. Dia berterusan. We can use a past continuous verb to describe an action which not finished at a certain time. Dia masih belum siap lagi pada ketika itu, tetapi pada masa yang lepas. What were you doing at 6 o'clock? I was washing my hair. Okay, ada orang bertanya, apa yang awak nak buat pukul 6 petang tadi? Okay, jadi awak menjawab, saya sedang membasuh rambut saya, tetapi rambut saya pada ketika itu saya belum habis lagi mencuci atau shampoo rambut saya lagi. Saya sedang mencuci rambut saya. So, I was washing my hair. Okay, number 2. We often use a past continuous verb in the same sentence as a past simple verb. We do this to show that the one action was like continuing background to the other more sudden action. Macam tadi lah. When I arrive, ketika saya sedang sampai, My father was watching television. Ketika saya sedang sampai, okay, anak-anak sedang bermain. The children were playing in the playground, for examples. We can use the past continuous to describe a scene. The night market was very busy. Music was coming from radios and cassette player. Okay. Kita sedang menceritakan satu babak yang sedang berlaku tetapi pada masa yang lepas. Seolah kita berada di tempat itu tetapi telah berlaku pada masa lepas. Contohnya, the night market was very busy. Okay, kita bayangkan apa yang sedang berlaku pada ketika itu. Jadi, we have to use present continuous. Music was coming from the radios, cassette player. Young men were laughing. Some people were buying. Kita nak menggambarkan suasana pada ketika itu yang sudah pun berlaku pada mungkin minggu lepas, bulan lepas dan sebagainya. Contoh, kita nak hantarkan laporan polis. Apa yang anda sedang buat ketika kecurian berlaku? Okay, I was sleeping. Sedang tidur. Okay, sebagai contoh. Okay, now we go to the page 50. Notice that the sudden action saw started not in the past continuous. In story like this, the general rule is for past action, use the past continuous. For past action, use the simple past. Notice also that we can put word like not just often between the two words of a past continuous verb. Others were just looking. Boleh tambah just ke situ, ataupun not. Others were not looking. We can also put adverbs ending ly in this position. Botak was quietly laughing. Boleh tambah lagi. Tadi tambah just ataupun the words kita juga boleh tambah lagi adverbs ly. Was quietly laughing, was slowly running, slowly walking, or silently walking. Okay, boleh tambah di situ. Okay, we do the exercise 2 there. Exercise 2. Okay, number 1. Understanding when to use the past continuous. In this story, there are 6 past continuous verb. Ada 6. Okay, past continuous yang anda perlu cari, find them and say why the writer has chosen to use this tense. Tak payah ni, cuma cari je lah. Okay, cari saja, tak perlu sebut kenapa writer menggunakan continuous ataupun past continuous. Maria got out of her chair slowly and quietly. Okay, got out of her chair slowly and quietly. Okay. Her heart was thumping. Okay, so bolehlah anda sebutkan nombor 1 was thumping. Apa maksud thumping? Cikgu pun tak tahu, cari dalam dictionary. Was thumping. Okay. Was thumping against her chest. Was someone hiding in the house? Okay, was someone hiding in the house? Itu juga adalah past continuous. Was someone hiding? Okay. Number 3. She was reaching. Okay, past continuous, was reaching. Was reaching. Dan cari-carilah yang lain senang saja ni. Sampai nombor berapa ya? Dia kata ada berapa tadi? Ada 6 sampai 6. Okay. We go to the next year. Note C there. Sometimes we cannot use the past continuous. Tak boleh guna past continuous bila? We saw in unit 6.7 that some verbs usually do not take the present continuous. It is the same with the past continuous. See unit 6.7. See for the list of this verb. Kena patah balik ni. Pada present continuous, apa yang tidak boleh digunakan dalam present continuous dulu. Kita lihat balik. Mana dia? Ni C. Sometimes we cannot use the present continuous. Di mana thinking, feeling, owning verbs. Okay. Yang ni. Yang kata-kata ni tak boleh digunakan. Letakkan ing di belakang. Sama juga dengan past tense. So, think, believe, know, understand, want, wish, belong, possess dan sebagainya. Okay. Sama je lah. Okay, jadi kita patah balik semula kepada soalan ni tadi. For exercise 3, choose the simple past or the past continuous for the verbs in the story. Simple past ataupun past continuous. If you're not sure, it's safer to choose the simple past. Tak pasti, gunakan simple past. Okay. It was 11:30 and it was business as usual in the bank. I wait in the long queue to get some money from my saving account. Okay, pada pukul 11.30 itu, I was waiting. Saya sedang menunggu. Okay, number 1 is was waiting. Okay, number 2. Behind the counter, clerk is filling in forms. Bukan is, sebab ini dah past tense. Okay, pada pukul 11.30 itu, saya sedang menunggu dan clerk ataupun kerani sedang was filling in form and staring at computer screen. So, number 2 is was filling. Sorry. The clerks ada S kat situ. Jadi, were filling. Ramai ke? Ada lebih dari seorang kerani. So, were filling in the forms and staring at the computer screens. Okay, number 3. Sometimes one of them, seorang daripada mereka. Bila seorang sahaja, so we can use sama either is getting or got. Which one? Sometimes one of them is getting up. Bila sometimes ni kita tak pasti bila dia berlaku. Adakah pada pukul 11.30, mungkin 11.35, mungkin 11.36. Jadi selamatnya sometimes one of them got up. Kita tak tahu bila dia berlaku. Okay, got up. Okay, number 4. Got up and went into the back office to discuss something with the manager. Sebab kita tak pasti dia berlaku bila, sebab dia menggunakan perkataan sometimes, kadang-kala. Okay, when. So, I know they work hard. No, tak boleh guna ing. Ni aturan tadi kan. No tak boleh buat jadi knowing. So, I knew. K-N-E-W. Past tense untuk know. Okay. Knew. Okay, number 6. I knew they work hard. Okay, they work hard. So, or they were working hard. But it's all seem very slow to me. I knew they are working hard. Okay. Ini kamu lekapkan sendirilah. 6 hingga 10. Kalau tak pasti, buatlah simple past tense. Okay. Question 6 until 10 will be completed by you. Okay, that's all for today. We continue our lesson next week, next class. Okay, thank you.